Take as an example, a company dealing with agricultural surveys in Brazil. They have to cover massive areas and conduct repetitive surveys every 3 months. Typically they would use 5 drones and 5 operators, and in an optimistic scenario it would take 2 days. Our solution uses multiple drones and 1 operator and gets the job done in half the time, and at a significantly reduced cost. Using FlightOps technology. Large tasks are broken down to sub-tasks. Based on availability and the optimal amount of drones needed to cover this area, the system will automatically assign these tasks to the fleet of 6 drones. The FlightOps cloud platform automatically manages the takeoff, flight routes, energy replacement and landing processes without the need for an operator to do anything other than replace batteries on landed drones. All this happens in real time. It is totally dynamic and reacts to ever-changing requirements and airspace restrictions. At the end of the day, all drones are safely landed and the task was completed.